A devastating storm causes severe flooding in Austria. A destructive storm accompanied by torrential rains triggered widespread flooding in Austria on Saturday night, June 8. Wind gusts reached speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour, 62 miles per hour, toppling numerous trees across the country. A mud flow approximately 2 meters high, 6.5 feet, wreaked havoc on vehicular traffic and forced the closure of several highways. Severe weather warnings were issued for multiple regions, resulting in flash floods that severely impacted the country. Cars were swept away and slammed against the walls of houses, trapping many people in their vehicles. In various communities, water inundations reached significant levels, prompting firefighters to work tirelessly to drain basements and sewers, as well as remove debris. In the state of Styria, Austria, the historic floods swept away numerous vehicles, many of which were severely damaged or destroyed. Rescue services carried out intense efforts to assist and evacuate residents from the most affected areas. The floods also triggered landslides and avalanches of mud and debris that reached various zones. The power supply was disrupted due to severe damage to power lines. Meteorologists reported that rainfall in the past 24 hours was equivalent to 1 month of typical rainfall in Austria, an astonishing amount. They warned of a possible worsening of the situation, leading to the declaration of a state of emergency. Local residents were forced to evacuate their homes as the currents of water destroyed everything in their path. The reconstruction of the affected areas will demand significant resources and time. Infrastructure will need to be rebuilt, and numerous families will require assistance. These events in other parts of the world are truly shocking. What do you think about these happenings? Leave your comment and support us with a like. Thank you for watching.